Okay, these are the colours that I'm using to make my little teardrop flowers. So this is the green for the leaves and the pink. So I'm going to cut these down into a smaller size so I can get my petals. But let's give it a go. So my petals are roughly about 50 mil long. So I'm just going to cut. Okay, and you can draw these on if it helps. So always come a little bit from the side, so I have about a fingernail width between the end of the glass and my score line. And do excuse my hands, I have having a grouting galore today, so it's black grout. Fingers through the gloves, so anyway, bear with me. Running pliers. Next to one of our petals, and all I do is I just nip the end off, just so it can sit in a bit closer. Alright, so that's how we're going to do our petals. So we'll do another one. So come in a little bit. So I never drop off the end of the glass either, because it can blunt the wheel on your cutter. So just kind of slow down right towards the end. So that's our next one. So the same thing will go with the green. All I've done there is so little smidgen off there. Same shape. But then what I have done with the green leaf is I've just run my score up the middle. A little bit of an angle. And that's quite nice for filling in these little bits here. You keep some whole, you do some a little bit smaller as well. There's a couple of different size petals, leaves, sorry. A couple of different size leaves. And it's also quite nice for filling in as well. Right, and these little shiny bits, I've got a nice bit of green shimmer, and all I've done with that one is just cut it diagonally. And then you just get these crazy little cuts. So I like the shape you get from cutting them like that. And they give you like a nice wispy kind of a leaf, so they can just fill in anywhere. Having something like that there, you only need a little bit, it just adds a little bit of bling. It looks nice. Right, so we're going to do our flower.